Hello friends, welcome to MAT. This is Murali's accounts time. Accounting for joint stock company, issue of share capital. Under this we are going to learn about shares issue at par, shares issue at premium, shares issue at discount. Let me see one by one. What is issue of shares at par? See, when shares are issued equal to face value is called issue of shares at par. Let's see the example. Issue price equal to face value or nominal value. A face value means a original price of the share. Issue price means the company offered the rate to the public. When both is equal, this particular concept is called as issue of share at par. Let's see the next. What is issue of share at premium? When shares are issued more than its face value is called issue of shares at premium. Let's see here the example. Issue price greater than face value or nominal value. Face value or nominal value is an original price. A issue price is which the company offered to the public. Here issue price is 120 but the original price is 100. The difference 20 rupees is in premium. A premium is an extra amount collected by the company from the common public. When reputed companies offering shares to the public, by the time public will apply more number of shares than what company offered. Such case company will fix as more than its face value as a premium. Let's see next as an discount. What is issue of share at discount? When shares are issued less than its face value is called issue of share at discount. Let's see the example. Issue price less than face value or a nominal value. Here the issue price is 90 but the actual price, the original price is 100. So the difference 10 rupees is an discount. The shares which is forfeited, those shares a company at the time of reissue, the company can issue at discount. Hope you understood this concept. If you like this video, please subscribe and give some comments in the comment section. Thank you.